Hello, teachers! Diyos marahay na aldaw po sa gabos. Algebra Part 3 po tayo today, and our first problem is to solve for the roots of the quadratic equation. So, paano po ba natin ito gagawin sa ating CARS KCS 991 calculator? Press lang po natin ang mode and 5 for the equation. Then, alin po ang format ng quadratic equation dito sa apat na choices? Ito po ay ang number 3 dahil kapag quadratic, ang highest exponent ay 2. Yes po. So, number 3 po tayo. Pero, note lang po natin na ang constant ay dapat before the equal sign. So, check po natin sa ating problem. Okay naman po dahil ang constant ay before the equal sign. So, proceed na po tayo. Press 3. Then, dito, hingin po yung A. Ano po ba yung A? Ito po yung coefficient ng ating x squared, which is 1. Then, press equal sign para ma-input po natin ang value. For B, ito naman po ay negative 8. Ito yung coefficient ng ating x. Yes po. Then, for C, ito naman po yung constant, which is 15. Press equal sign. So, ayan, na-input na po natin ang ating A, B, and C. At ano po ang next? Press po natin ang equal sign. Lalabas po ang ating first root, which is a 5. Ilan po ang roots ng quadratic? Dalawa. So, press po natin ulit ang equal sign for our second root. Therefore, we have 5 and 3 or 3 and 5, which is letter A. Pwede rin po natin itong gamitin kapag ang tanong ay factors. Gagawin lang po nating factors ang ating roots. So, paano po? Kung ang ating x is equal to 3, therefore, ang kanyang factor ay x minus 3. Kapag x is equal to 5 naman, ang kanyang factor ay x minus 5. Next problem, we are to solve for the remainder. So, copyhin lang po natin. We have x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 1. Okay? So, ayan, i-input na po natin. Then, balikan natin ang ating problem. Ano po yung ating divisor? We have x plus 1, then equate to 0 para ma-solve po natin ang value ng x. And x is equal to negative 1. Let's substitute po natin dito. Paano po? Press calc. Then, input natin ang negative 1, press equal sign, and we have 3. At ito na po ang ating remainder, which is letter C. The product of two consecutive integers is 182. Find the integers. So, we have two consecutive integers and their product is equal to 182. Pag sinabing product, ito po ay, yes, very good, it's multiplication. At kapag ganito po na meron tayong dalawang variables, we have to note kung alin sa dalawa ang ating isosolve. So, let's say y. Although, okay lang naman kahit alin sa dalawa. Then, once we're done, press shift calc or shift solve at hihingan tayo ng value ng isang variable. So, here, we will try A and B. Why dalawa? Dahil gamitin na po natin yung 13. Pareho pong meron sa ating dalawang choices. So, let's press 13, press equal sign to input, and let's allow our calculator to solve for y. Press equal sign and y is equal to 14. So, ibig sabihin, x ang A dahil hindi 12. So, 13 and 14. But, let us prove C and D. Okay. Press AC, then ito po. Shift calc. Ano po yung pareho sa ating options C and D? 15. So, press 15, press equal sign, and the answer is 12.13333. So, wala po sa ating C and D. Therefore, our answer is 13 and 14, which is letter B. So, ganyan lang po ang pagmekos-mekos natin para sa mga ganitong problem. Thank you for watching. Kindly share so we can help more self-review math majors. God bless, teachers.